Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this toy hauler. So this police truck is my son's favorite toy. He just got it for his birthday. The back opens up like this to make a ramp, and it comes with 4 little vehicles, one of which is a helicopter, which is really cool. So let me show you how this works. The toy comes with these 4 different cars, and they're pull-back toys, even the helicopter. So if you pull it back, it's gonna race off. My son loves that. The little blade actually, he actually turns, which is nice. And then the cab detaches from the back. To detach the cab from the trailer, you just give it a firm pull, and then this hitch fits back into this slot when you want to put it together. And the main body of the truck is self-propelled, so if you give it a push, it's going to start moving down the road. So that makes this toy very lifelike because you can load up the trailer, load up all your little vehicles, and then push it down the hallway, and it'll go for a little bit. I have the truck loaded up right now with all 4 of the little cars and the helicopter, so they do fit. My son likes to play with the helicopter landing pad here, and you get some really good momentum here, you get a good angle when you turn. This is probably my son's favorite toy. He's 3, my daughter is 4.5, but I think kids, I would say up to 5 or 6 might really enjoy this truck. And yeah, it's a toy we enjoy and like, so I do recommend it. You do have to take out a small screw in the bottom of the little cars if they ever need a new battery, so that's maybe my only complaint. I don't love changing those batteries, but otherwise, it's a great toy.